Okay, the device in my hand is a clock timepiece, and this video is showing how to change the battery in this. For doing this, you must so in this model you must look at the back side and let's just simply remove this. Here it is written open, so I'm going to remove this cover, so you can simply remove it. Okay, press using your fingers. You can press here like this. If you press like this, you can open. Now you can see that here the battery is here. You can simply using your finger. You can simply take out this. Okay, and I'm going to take a new battery. So you can see that this is the positive side in battery, and this is the negative side. It's here it is. I'll show you. So here you can see positive and negative is written here. This negative side should touch. So you can insert it like this. You can see that the clock is now running properly, and after that you can close the car. Okay, of this video. See you for more videos. Subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.